Today we'll show you how to change your language in Facebook account. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, first you can open here Facebook account and go your profile or what you want. You can do everything. Okay, just after you are open this site web, just go here to our picture and click, and go here to setting and click, and here now go to language. Okay, click, and here Facebook language, just click, and here you can choose your language what you want. Okay, we will now choose, like, okay, I will choose French. Okay, click. Okay, now this it's like language French. Okay, I will back it to English, and first I will tell you, if you don't get it here, okay, just go here and go to setting and go to setting 2, and here put like language. Okay guys, language, and region here like this, and click, and go here, you can find it. Okay, yes, guys, if you want to uh, to put something like that, like this, to translate your language, like if you have a text with English, you want to translate it with Arabic or with French, you can click here, and you can do everything. Okay guys, so don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.